This is the final video to fix the issue where Windows shows this update can't be downloaded and installed because it's not yet ready for your device. Are you also facing this problem? You try to update Windows, but instead of updating, you see this message and can't install the update. Here's why it happens. Windows releases updates gradually, and sometimes your device isn't selected yet. It can also occur if your system has compatibility checks that block the update for now. You may find many solutions online, but most of them are complicated and hard to follow. When I faced this issue, I found a simple trick to make the update available faster. Here's a normal solution you could try. Go to Settings, Update and Security, Windows Update, and click Check for Updates. If it still doesn't work, use the Windows Update Troubleshooter to fix any problems preventing updates. This often makes the update ready for your device. If you want to make a full step-by-step tutorial showing every possible way to fix this issue, comment down below.